Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to another delicious and nutritious recipe tutorial. Ready to whip up some delicious and healthy pancakes in just 3 minutes? You heard that right. These pancakes are not only quick to make but also packed with wholesome ingredients that will keep you energized throughout the day. Let's get started. Trust me, you're going to love how easy and tasty these are. First things first, let's talk ingredients. The beauty of this recipe is its simplicity and the fact that you probably already have most of these ingredients in your kitchen. You'll need 1 ripe banana. The riper, the better, as it adds natural sweetness and moisture to the pancakes. Next, half a cup of rolled oats. These will give your pancakes a nice, hearty texture and are a great source of fiber. A 1/4 cup of milk. You can use any type of milk you prefer, whether it's dairy, almond, soy, or oat milk. Each will bring its own unique flavor to the pancakes. A teaspoon of baking powder. This is essential for making your pancakes fluffy and light. And a dash of vanilla extract. This adds a lovely aroma and enhances the overall flavor. Simple, right? These basic ingredients come together to create something truly special. Alright, grab your blender. This is where the magic happens. Toss in the banana, egg, rolled oats, milk, baking powder, and vanilla extract. Make sure everything is in there. Blend everything until you get a nice, smooth batter. You want it to be well mixed but not over blended. This should only take about 30 seconds. Quick and easy, just the way we like it. Easy peasy. Now let's move on to cooking these beauties. Next, heat up a non-stick skillet over medium heat. This is crucial for getting that perfect golden brown finish. Give it a little spritz of cooking spray or a tiny bit of coconut oil. This helps prevent sticking and adds a bit of flavor. Once it's hot, pour in small amounts of batter to form your pancakes. You can make them as big or small as you like. I usually go for about a 1/4 cup per pancake. This size is perfect for even cooking and easy flipping. Let them cook for 2-3 minutes on each side or until they're golden brown and fluffy. Patience is key here. You know they're ready to flip when you see bubbles forming on the surface. This is your cue to get that spatula ready. While those cook, let's talk toppings. This is where you can get creative and make these pancakes your own. Fresh fruit like berries, bananas, or even a handful of pomegranate seeds can add a burst of flavor and color. Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey is another fantastic option, adding creaminess and a touch of sweetness. Or how about a sprinkle of nuts? Almonds, walnuts, or pecans can add a delightful crunch and extra nutrients. The sky's the limit, and you can keep it as healthy or as indulgent as you like. What's your favorite topping? I'd love to hear your ideas. Let me know in the comments. Sharing is caring, and I'm always on the lookout for new topping ideas. Alright, now back to our pancakes. They should be just about ready. Once they're cooked to perfection, stack them up on your plate. Look at those beauties. They're golden, fluffy, and ready to be devoured. Can you believe they're healthy too? It's amazing how something so delicious can be good for you. No guilt here, folks. Enjoy every bite knowing you're fueling your body with wholesome ingredients. And there you have it. A quick, easy, and healthy pancake recipe that's perfect for any time of the day. Delicious, healthy pancakes in just 3 minutes. It doesn't get better than this. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a quick snack. These pancakes are versatile and always a hit. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes. I'm sure you'll love it as much as I do. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more tasty and healthy recipes. Happy cooking, thanks for watching, see you next time.